Today I would like to present a brief overview of the role Azerbaijan played in the history of the Holy Qur'an. As is well known at the time of the Prophet Muhammad, the Qur'an was not in the form we have today. Rather, it existed in separate fragments and portions, and most importantly, it was preserved in the memories of the companions who had memorized it. It is reported that their number was close to 300 memorizers. However, during the caliphate of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, the necessity arose to compile the Qur'an into a single volume. Consequently, a committee was formed during his reign, consisting of 30 memorizing companions under the leadership of Zayd ibn Thabit, may Allah be pleased with him. This committee compiled the Qur'an into one volume. It is reported that it was written on 30 sheets. This copy was preserved in Medina. During the caliphate of the second caliph, Omar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, the borders of the Islamic Caliphate expanded significantly, and Muslims spread over vast territories through their conquests. In the era of the third rightly guided Caliph, Uthman ibn Affan, may Allah be pleased with him, the Muslim army led by the renowned companion Habib ibn Maslama was present in the regions of present-day Nakhchivan and western Azerbaijan, modern-day Armenia. At that time, there was a city known as Diwan, which should more accurately be pronounced and written as Dwayne. The conqueror of this city was Habib ibn Maslama. Near this city, a dispute arose among Arab Muslims regarding the recitation of the Qur'an. What was the cause of this disagreement? It is known that the Prophet ﷺ was from Quraysh, and that the Qur'an was revealed in the Quraysh dialect of Arabic. The first written copy was also based on this dialect. However, the army included Muslims from Yemen, who recited Surah Al-Fatiha according to their own dialect. As a result, a disagreement emerged between the Qurayshis and the Yemenis, with each side claiming that the other was pronouncing it incorrectly. Habib ibn Maslama from Azerbaijan sent a letter to Uthman ibn Affan in Medina, the capital of the Caliphate, explaining the nature and origin of the dispute. As a solution, he proposed copying the Qur'anic manuscript, compiled during the time of Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, and distributing it to the provinces of the Caliphate. Accordingly, the third rightly guided Caliph, Uthman ibn Affan, instructed the scribes to reproduce the manuscript. 7 copies were produced and sent to the 7 main regions of the Caliphate at that time. In this way, the dispute was resolved. As is well known, one of these copies is preserved today in a museum in Samarkand. It is considered one of the oldest Quranic manuscripts and is often referred to as the Uthmanic Codex. This manuscript is one of those copies. Thus, we have shared a brief account of Azerbaijan's role in the history of the Holy Qur'an.